Welcome to Galway. If you don't know me, my name is Hawkins. I'm a traveling singer-songwriter and I'm currently on a tour across Ireland and the UK. We've done 3 shows so far, we have 3 more to go, and tonight we are starting with a show in Galway. I am so excited.
It feels a little bit heavy, like I'm told it should. I was a little unready, didn't know if I could.
It's almost time to take the stage, but first I want to give a quick shout out to Journey Instruments. Both my guitar player and I are playing Journey Instruments travel guitars. They are so fantastic and they are so easy to travel with, whether we're flying to London for a show or like today when we were driving a couple hours from County Mayo. They've been fantastic. Thank you very much to Journey Instruments, and now it's time for the show.
It's not a choice that I need to make.
Good morning. Last night's show at the Secret Garden was so fun. It was such a cool contrast. I think every show that we've played on this tour has been super different, but to go from a post-Rugby World Cup match pub show Saturday night to a cute and cozy coffee and tea shop Sunday evening show, it's just been a really fun exercise in kind of adapting as a musician to these different audiences, and all of them have been incredible. They've just been really different. Today is exciting because we actually have a day off. This is the first day since the tour started that we don't have a show, which means that we get to do a little exploring here in Galway. We are going to go on a free walking tour later today to just get a little roam about town. We have been blessed with an absolutely beautiful blue sky out, so I think I'm going to go for a little run before we head out on the walking tour. I'm back from my run. I took a quick shower and now we are headed to the free walking tour, which starts right by Kinlay Hostel in Eyre Square. We just got a little bit of an overview of some Irish history here inside Eyre Square, which is outside officially the old city walls here of Galway. We're now going to go into a shopping center that actually has ruins of the medieval walls.
He talks a little bit to me like I wished he would. He sees a little bit through me where the walls once stood. With everything and nothing pouring out my lips. Now that it's not broken, I can look for the fix.
Behind me here is St. Nicholas's Collegiate Church. This is an interesting one because at different periods throughout time, it has been a Catholic church, a Protestant church, and an Orthodox church, which obviously is not super common here in Ireland. It's also an interesting building because the steeple was built to be the tallest point in the city, with the idea that when ships were coming into Galway Bay, they could recognize it to let them know that they were headed in the right direction.
It's not a choice that I need to make. It's just a voice pointing out everything that's at stake. No one I know is gonna show me the way, but I know staying put is still choosing to stay.
The walking tour just ended. It was a lot of fun. Galway is actually a very small city, so we didn't have to walk too far to have a lot to see and a lot to learn. So I highly recommend it. If you're in town, definitely do a walking tour. It's just a good way to get a good feel for the city. I want to tell you a little bit about where we're staying here in Galway. Now, if you've been around since the hostel tour days, you might recognize where I am. I'm here at Kinlay Hostel, and back in 2019 on my hostel tour, I actually performed right over there. Kinlay is a really great place to stay if you're coming to Galway. They also have another hostel called Snoozles, so I'm going to show you both so you can see what some of the great options are here for accommodation in Galway. As you can see, they have a really lovely common area here, and it's right next to the kitchen. So whether you're cooking for yourself or you're having some of their free breakfast, it's a really nice little spot. Kinlay has both private rooms and dorm rooms, so depending on what you're looking for, they have it. It's really everything that you want in a hostel. I'm now gonna head over to their other hostel called Snoozles. Just like Kinlay Hostel, Snoozles is a great option no matter what you're looking for here in Galway. Whether you want a private room with your own personal balcony, if you want to be in one of the larger dorm rooms, or if you and a couple friends want to get one of these smaller dorm rooms all to yourselves, there are so many options here. The common areas are super nice as well. There are plenty of places to relax, hang out, even get some work done, and of course, make new friends. Whichever hostel you choose, I know you'll have a great time in Galway staying at Kinlay or Snoozles. The sun has just gone down, and if there's one thing that Galway is known for, it's the nightlife. So I think it's time we go experience some of that nightlife. We're gonna get some food and then hopefully go catch some trad music. I'm pretty excited.
I've learned to ignore the way. Not all who hurt have to numb the pain. I can bear it pushing down on me. It's only a little bit heavy. It's not a choice that I need to make. It's just a voice pointing out everything that's at stake.
There is just live music pouring out of all the pubs on the street here. It's so exciting. Because I don't own the rights to any of this music, I can't actually put the audio in this video, so that's why you're not getting to hear the sound, but it's really incredible and I really recommend visiting this pub if you come to Galway.
No one I know is gonna show me the way, but I know staying put is still choosing to stay.
Sadly, our time in Galway has come to an end. From an incredible show at the Secret Garden to a very fun day of exploring and checking out the local nightlife, Galway has been so much fun. Thank you all so much for watching. We are headed to Kilkenny for the next show of tour tonight. Thank you to Kinlay Hostel for hosting us and to Journey Instruments for sponsoring the tour. This tour has been so much fun and it continues tonight in Kilkenny. As always, the music in this video is one of my original songs, which you can listen to anywhere you get your music online or linked in the video description. There is so much more on the way, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Talk to you then.